Hello, Stephen Fricke here from the REACH project. This video is going to show you how to create a time series graph using our climate data from our MACA dataset. So right here on the screen you see our climate data viewer. This accordion on the right has several different climate tools that you can use to both download and analyze various climate data sets. So for this example, we're going to be taking you through using our climate time series tool. So there are several parameters you will need to select to run the tool. The first one being the climate model that you would like to use. So if you click on the arrow here, you can see a drop-down list of several different climate models. And if you want more information on a particular model, you could click this blue question mark here and a window will pop up with information about each model. Then we will select a climate scenario. For this example, let's query some future climate data. So let's choose one of the two future scenarios. So we'll do RCP 8.5. The next parameter is the climate variable we would like to be querying. For this example, let's do maximum near surface air temperature. Next, we will specify the days within the year that we want to extract climate data. So let's say we're just interested in January, so we'll do 1 through 30. The next parameters are the years in which we would like to use to create our time series. So let's do the current year through the next 20 years. And then the final set of parameters are selecting the spatial extent of interest. So you can either select a bounding box in which you would draw a box on the map and all pixels within that box would be averaged to get the average maximum temperature for each year. You could also just select a single point on the map in which you're just querying one pixel, or you can select a polygon, which is similar to the bounding box in that all pixels within the polygon are averaged. So let's select a polygon for this example. Here's several different layers within our geodatabase that we can add to the map in order to select from. So let's do Washington counties. So once that's selected, it should get added to the map. There you see it. And if we go back to our climate time series tool, we can click select by polygon and then click on one of these counties. And then a request is made for that that data within that spatial and temporal extent, and a graph is created. So you can see here the blue line represents a 5-year moving average to kind of smooth out the data a little bit. You can also download this data. You can see here there's an option for saving the data as rasters. If we would like to look at each year as a raster within ArcGIS, we could have clicked that and we would have been downloading 20 rasters of data for that county. But since we didn't, we're just going to get a text file of the data. So when you click to download it, and then it brings up this little zip file with the text file in it, and you can see each year 2014 through 2034 with the corresponding maximum near surface air temperature for January. And that's what was used to create that graph that you saw. And I'll also mention that these tools are also available to be run within ArcGIS if you prefer working in that environment. We also have several other tools for extracting climate data and analyzing it. So feel free to visit the reachpna.org website and try some of these tools out for yourself. Thanks.